Hey guys, this is an SSR-70C. I bought it back in 2016, which is about a little under a year, about a year ago, for my son's for Christmas. He's rode it. He's probably got about 10 hours on it. Not a whole lot. 10 hours on a motorcycle is quite a bit. It still looks great. Chain's got a little rust on it. We keep it on the porch. All around looks great. He did wreck it. Not wreck it, but he did crash it one time into the back of my car in an open field with nothing else but my vehicle. That's another story. But we're gonna go ahead and start this up after about 6 months during the winter time. We haven't started it. I cleaned out the gas and I put fresh gas in, and we are going to start it here in a second. Let's see how many kicks it takes and what it takes to start this thing. We'll get to it. Alright guys, we're going to start this thing up. First time in 6 months. Let's see what happens. Choke on. Turn the gas on. Let's do it. Two, three, four. 4 kicks and it's back up. So this is an SSR-70C. I would say it's a very good buy for the money. Like I said, it's after 6 months. We put fresh gas in, take out the old gas out, and it's back up and running. I'd say if you're looking for a new motorcycle or a pit bike for your son or daughter, this is what you get. We got this from Orion Power Sports. It's a great buy. Thank you and goodbye.